Today we're looking into the tragic story of Nomzila Madinane, a young South African pharmacist whose life and career were cut short in a shocking act of violence that devastated her community. Known as a hardworking healthcare professional with a passion for helping underserved communities, her death sparked outrage and heartbreak across South Africa. So now, many are asking, what happened to Nomzila Madinane? Let's find out. Nomzila Madinane was a pharmacist from KwaZulu-Natal who had recently fulfilled a major dream opening her own pharmacy in KwaNyuswa, near Hillcrest in South Africa. According to community members, she chose the area specifically because many residents struggled to access healthcare and medication without traveling long distances into town. Her goal was to make healthcare more accessible for people in the community. Reports say she had opened Nomzila Pharmacy just days before tragedy struck. In August 2024, armed men reportedly stormed into the pharmacy and opened fire on the people inside. Nomzila Madinane and a female cashier were both killed instantly during the attack. A security guard who was also shot initially survived and was rushed to the hospital. However, he later died from his injuries. Police later confirmed that authorities were investigating 3 murder cases connected to the shooting. According to KwaZulu-Natal police spokesperson Robert Netchiunda, the victims were ambushed inside the pharmacy by unknown gunmen who opened fire before fleeing the scene. At the time of the investigation, police stated that the motive for the attack remained unknown. The killings sent shockwaves through the KwaNyuswa community. Many residents were especially devastated because Nomzila had worked for years to achieve her dream of becoming a pharmacist. Friends and supporters described her journey as one filled with sacrifice, difficult university studies, long nights, financial struggles, and determination. People close to her said she chose a path of service, wanting to help people gain access to medication, relieve suffering, and improve healthcare in her community. Tragically, less than a week after opening her pharmacy doors, her life was taken in a brutal attack that turned the new business into a crime scene within seconds. Tributes quickly flooded social media, with many expressing anger over gun violence and frustration that a young professional trying to uplift her community had lost her life so suddenly. So, where is Nomzila Madinane now? Sadly, Nomzila Madinane is no longer alive. She passed away during the shooting attack at her newly opened pharmacy in KwaNyuswa. Her story has since become a symbol of both community service and the devastating impact of violent crime in South Africa. From dedicating years to studying pharmacy to opening a business meant to help underserved residents, Nomzila Madinane's life represented hope, ambition, and service cut tragically short just days after her dream became reality. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on major cases and public figures, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.